go. SpongeBob is dead. He whacked his brains out. Look at that. All his blood and guts everywhere. It's freaking gross. Wow. Dang. Dang. SpongeBob is... Look at that. Oh my goodness. Look at this. This is SpongeBob. Oh. We whacked his head off. Oh, dude. Wait. This is what happened to SpongeBob right here. We'll make making any more new episodes for a while. SpongeBob's dead.